Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to send a voice message on an iPhone. The first thing you need to make sure is your iPhone is updated. So open up the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down a bit in Settings and tap on General. Then from General, go into Software Update and install the latest version of your iOS. After that, open up the Messages app. Now, from the Message app, go into your friend's chat. Then look for Audio Options from the menu bar. Once you find the audio option, tap on it. After that, you need to tap on the Record button. And then you can record your voice message or anything you want. Once you record a message, click on Share it. It is a very simple process. All you need to do is tap on the audio option and start the recording, then speak anything to record. After that, simply hit the arrow to send your voice message. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.